What's up everybody, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today we're going to be showing you how to install these ANZO taillights in your F-150. Now, before we jump into this install, I just want to make a few quick notes. Firstly is that there's a couple different color options for these taillights. Obviously we have the blacked out ones here. The install is going to be basically the same for all of these, so it really doesn't matter what the finish is, the actual light goes in the same way. Now, the one other important thing to note is that these lights are really designed for the bare bone base model trucks that don't have bliss or anything in the taillights. So this is going to be best for you if you have just factory halogen taillights with no upgrades in them. That's really what they're intended for, and they're plug and play with that. So that's how we're doing it on this truck, but let's get right into the install. First thing you want to do is drop your tailgate down, and there's two 5/16 screws that are going to be right through here. So we're going to grab a little socket and undo these. Once you have both screws out, you'll see your light is starting to come loose, and you're going to want to bring it straight back out of the truck here. It helps if you reach your hand around the side and kind of pry. There we go. You can kind of see there's these like little rubber capped pegs that we're holding it in with pressure. So once that's out, all we need to do is disconnect the harness in here. We've got the factory taillight out and we've got our harness sitting here. You can see it's a little bit dirty, so you'll probably want to grab a rag with some acetone or some sort of cleaner. It's not going to leave a residue, and just kind of wipe this section out right here. Now that we've got it clean, this is going to give us a good surface to mount our ballast because they use A3M adhesive to kind of seal to this. So now I'm going to peel the little seal off this adhesive on the back and stick both of these in place here. With both of these mounted, we can go ahead and plug this harness in. So I'm gonna lift that light up, bring it around. There we go. You just want to push till you get that little click. And now we can kind of tuck these wires back in here. And we're just gonna line the light up so we have these tabs pushing into those factory holes. And then you just want to be sure you get the inside in here without pinching any of those wires. And we'll give it a little pressure. There we go. And now we can reinstall those two screws we took out earlier. So there you have it. That's all it takes to get these ANZO taillights popped in. Overall, I think the look is really nice, and especially on a dark gray truck like this with black accents, it's pretty much the perfect style for it. So with that being said, if you guys are looking to pick up a set of these taillights for your F-150, we'll have some links down in the description below where you can go over to our website, take a look at those. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.